Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another delicious adventure in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to master the art of homemade bread sandwiches. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, this guide is for everyone. That's right, we're diving into the world of delicious, mouth-watering sandwiches you can whip up right in your own kitchen. Imagine the satisfaction of biting into a sandwich made with your own hands. So, grab your chef's hat and let's get started. Trust me, this is going to be fun and oh so rewarding. First up, let's talk ingredients. The foundation of any great sandwich is, of course, the bread. You'll need some fresh bread. I recommend a nice sourdough or a hearty whole grain. The choice of bread can really elevate your sandwich to the next level. Then, gather your favorite sandwich fillings. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Don't be shy, get creative. Here's my go-to list, but feel free to mix and match according to your taste. Sliced turkey or ham, crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, creamy avocado. These ingredients are classic, but you can always add your own twist. A slice of your favorite cheese. Cheese adds that perfect creamy texture and flavor. And of course a little mayo or mustard for that extra zing. Condiments are key to a flavorful sandwich. Now it's time to assemble. This is where the magic happens. Start by laying out 2 slices of bread. Make sure they are evenly sliced for a balanced sandwich. Spread a thin layer of mayo or mustard on each slice. This not only adds flavor, but also helps to keep everything together. A well-spread condiment layer is the secret to a cohesive sandwich. Next, layer on your fillings. The order of ingredients can affect the overall texture and taste. I like to start with the lettuce to create a nice, crisp base. It adds a refreshing crunch to every bite. Then, add your meat slices, followed by the tomato and avocado. These layers bring in the heartiness and juiciness. Top it off with a slice of cheese. Here's a pro tip. Cheese acts as a barrier to keep the bread from getting too soggy. To keep your sandwich from getting soggy, make sure your tomato slices are patted dry before adding them. This small step makes a big difference. Once everything's in place, pop the top slice of bread on, gently press it down, and voila! Your sandwich is almost ready to be enjoyed. You've got yourself a perfect homemade bread sandwich. But wait, there's more. We can take it up a notch. If you want to take your sandwich to the next level, try toasting it on a hot pan for a couple of minutes on each side. This step adds a delightful crunch. The bread gets all crispy, the cheese melts. Trust me, it's a game changer. The warm, gooey cheese combined with the crispy bread is simply irresistible. All right, my fellow foodies, that's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy guide to making the perfect homemade bread sandwich. Remember, the best sandwiches are made with love and creativity. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Your support means the world to me. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of video you'd like to see next. Your feedback helps me create content that you love. Maybe a deep dive into gourmet grilled cheese or a tour of the best sandwich spreads. You decide. I'm always excited to explore new culinary adventures with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy cooking! Keep experimenting and enjoying your time in the kitchen.